Hi guys, I'm Shane Sipukulan from Bethel Ed 33A, and for today's video, I'm gonna show you how I made my homemade salted eggs. So if you're excited, please like this video and enjoy watching.
1. You need to prepare and clean the eggs. 2. Put the water into the caldero. 3. Put a cup of salt into the water. To complete the solution, you need to put pepper.
Got the kick.
And then, add sugar for better result. Next, you need to boil the water. Make sure that all the salt are melting. And now, it's boiling. And bring solution out of the fire. Next, let's paper the eggs and the container. Then, put the eggs into the container. Be careful. After cooling the solution, now let's put the solution into the container. I will put cellophane with small amount of water to pour the eggs completely to the solution. And also, a cellophane to seal the container.
Got the kick.
And close the container. We need to put the container into a proper temperature until 3 to 4 weeks. After 3 to 4 weeks, cook the eggs, and now you have a homemade salted eggs. That's all. Thank you for watching.